Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I'm super excited for today's video because I have the brand new Singe Beauty Galactic Visitor Palette in my stash. This arrived in PR over the weekend. Thank you so much, Angelica, because this is her brand, Singe Beauty, for sending this my way. And this is their first eyeshadow palette launch. Let's take a peek inside this beautiful palette. We're getting 16 different shadows. Look at that. And I'm going to compare this because when I first saw the color story, I thought of Angelica's first ever eyeshadow palette collaboration with Kaleidos. It was her Club Nebula palette, and that came out some time ago, but I want to show you guys some quick side-by-side comparisons before we get started with the first two looks. Now, this palette is currently in stock. It does retail for $45, and I want to let you guys know that this is going to be, this contains 10 buttery mattes, 3 sparkly metallics, 2 duochromes, and then it's also going to include 1 holographic duochrome shadow. So here is Galactic Visitor, and then here is the Club Nebula palette, which was her first ever collaboration. And this is what Club Nebula looks like. This is out of production. It's been out of production for a while, but here they are side by side. I think you guys can see a little bit of similarities here. So her first ever collaboration, her first ever eyeshadow palette. This one, Galactic Visitor, is her own creation for her own brand, first ever for Singe Beauty. And I honestly think if you have Club Nebula, you're going to find that Galactic Visitor is going to be a very nice complement for it. I still have it. I love it. I'll use it from time to time. But you know what? I'm ready to see newness from Kaleidos. They kind of dropped off for a little bit. So I'm hoping in 2025 we get more newness from not just Singe Beauty, but also from Kaleidos. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I have a soft spot in my heart for indie makeup, so you'll always see indie brands featured on my channel. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes. I'll have a get ready with me video coming up later this week. I just love trying everything new, so you guys don't have to. I'll let you know what's worth your money, what's worth your time, and what's not. If that sounds great to you, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you love Angelica as much as I do, and you're a fan of Singe Beauty, or you're a fan of me, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And as usual, check the description box for links and codes to everything. I am also wearing one of the Singe Beauty blushes. I forget the shade. It's the orange one. I'll have it listed in the description box. But Singe Beauty is growing, and they're coming up with, they started with brushes, they have blushes, now they have the eyeshadow palette. So really excited to see what Singe Beauty has in store for us for 2025. Let's get started with the first look. These are going to be 2 complete looks. If you guys want to see how Galactic Visitor is going to perform, keep on watching. Now I'm just going to kind of scoop my bangs, my new bangs, out of the way, because in case you guys are new to my channel, I had hair extensions for a long time. Well, not a long time, but I would say about maybe 5-6 months. And now I just recently went into this cute little bob cut with bangs. So everything is fairly new. It hasn't even been a week yet. Let's get started. I know for sure. So this shade to me in the monitor is coming off as a bright yellow. It kind of looks more mustard yellow in a person. So I want to start, actually I'm going to start with this one. This shade is called We, and then I'm going to go in with Soul. And of course, I'm going to be using some of my Singe Beauty brushes. I'm going to start off with the EO3 for the shade We. And we're just going to put this up here by the brow bone. I'm going to take it up straight to the brow. And that'll kind of give the brow bone a bit of a highlight. Now with that same brush, I'm dipping into the shade Soul, and I want to focus Soul right here in the inner half of the crease and also get it a little bit on the lid. This yellow is super pigmented and I love it. And I'm wearing gold jewelry to work. So this is gonna complement that perfectly. And obviously I'm wearing I'm wearing all black with gold accents today. Now on What's Up Beauty R102, I'm gonna go into this one called Cowgirl. Super pigmented shade. We're gonna focus that right here on the outer half into the crease. That is a beautiful shade. It's brown, but it has a little bit of red to it. Now, I have not watched Angelica's video with her revealing this palette. I need to. Like I've mentioned, guys, I don't watch as much YouTube as I used to, simply because I don't have time. I'm super busy. This is the busy season for us at work with events, but thank God everything is kind of wrapping up this week just in time for Christmas. And yeah, I'm ready for a little break. Okay, so I think these shades are beautiful together. I'm going to go back in with the yellow just to kind of blend it a little bit better with the brown. Okay, now I'm going to hold off on the sparkle, the shimmer shadow, and I think for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to try this shade right here, kind of keep it a little light. This one is called Hoodoos. I'm using a little BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. So that's a nice peach shade. Now for the shimmer shadow on the lid, I'm going to go in with this one called Space Dust. And I might have sprayed too much setting spray on my brush, but I'm using a Morphe M124. I'm just kind of placing that in the center where the brown and the yellow meet. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Adding back some of the yellow. I love the way that looks. I need to touch up the dark brown that's on the outer portion just to make sure everything is blended. Ooh, I like that a lot. Now, I think for the inner corner, I'm just going to bring the yellow in a little bit more. Just kind of add it right in there. And now I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 1. Let's see, the helping products I went in with are my Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner on the top lash line. I'm using this Essence Call Me Queen mascara, and for the lower waterline, a ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This one is in the shade Bay Breeze. I love it. I love the way this look turned out. Kind of a little bit of orange, rusty tone, gold vibes going on. I think everything just kind of complements and coordinates so well. Look at that orange blush. And again, I'll have the name of the blush in the description box because it is from Singe Beauty. My lipstick, in case you're curious, it's one I got in my ice cream beauty box a while back. It's from Ace Beauté and it's in the shade Ambition, but I don't know if this is still available, but really nice packaging. All right, guys, so this is the first look. I am doing wear tests in today's video, so I will check in with you guys when I get home from work, and we'll see what this is looking like. Hey, guys, this is the 10-hour check-in with this new Galactic Visitor Palette from Singe Beauty. Everything is looking good. Everything is still vibrant. It's intact. I did get a little bit of fallout, but I didn't use any shimmer primer, and I will tomorrow. I'll use my one from Gourmand Girls. But this is what it's looking like. I really like it. I love this color color combination. I think it just complemented everything, especially the blush. Loving it. Guys, if you haven't checked out Singe Beauty, let this look and perhaps this palette be your invitation to do so. Let's start working on look number 2. All right, guys, so let's start working on look number 2 with Galactic Visitor. I'm wearing neutrals again to work today, so it really doesn't matter what shades I go with. I kind of like this mint shade right here. This one's a shimmer, this one's a shimmer. I think what I'm going to do, let's see. And then I kind of like this shade too. I'm going to start with, what do I feel like doing? Do I want to do something blue or green? We have a dark blue here, a black, red shade at the top. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade in, and then I'm gonna go in with this shade called Saucer, and then I'm gonna go in with Infinity. Let's see how that's gonna work out. Taking the shade in on a Game Beauty E01. And you'll see I'm just kind of placing this above the crease, kind of towards the brow area, focusing it on the inner corner, and I am bringing it a bit outwards. Now on the Singe Beauty E04, I'm going in with the shade Saucer, and I'm placing that on the lid, practically to the outer portion. I'm also going to kind of blend it a bit in the crease. Now on a Refer 14, I'm taking that blue shade called Infinity, and that's going to be in the outer portion and a bit into the crease. Now I'm just touching up Saucer, this mint color blue shade. And then I'll decide, you know, you don't need to do a shimmer, but I want to, just because I want to test it out with the primer underneath it, because I didn't get to do that yesterday, but this could very easily be an all matte look, at least here at the top. Yeah, it looks really pretty. Okay, so I have no idea where my shimmer primer went. I think I have a trip coming up and I already started packing, and I feel like I probably put it in my suitcase already. Yeah, that's probably what happened. So we're just gonna have to go without it, and I think I'm gonna go into the shade right here called, actually, no, I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna leave this shade Encounter for the inner corner, and then I'm gonna go in with Milky Way on the lid. And I'm taking this on my damp Morphe M709. That's really pretty. I think I'm gonna try, see how I'm leaving the inner corner free? There's another shade in here that I want to try as well. That's a really smooth shimmer. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Beam, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner. This is more of a mint shimmer shade, as you can see. That is so pretty. That looks really pretty. I just got the slightest bit of fallout, but I think I had too much on the brush. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I think, what do I want to do? I guess I'll go in with, should we change it up and maybe do something red? That might be interesting. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. This one is called Peace. Using my Refer 26 to apply. All right, now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Encounter. And I'm using a damp What's Up Beauty R107. Wow, that is super pigmented. I have enough for both eyes. I guess I just picked up too much. Okay, guys, and with that, I am going to pop off camera, take care of finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I love it. I think it's really fun. It's different. Same everything from the first look with the exception of the lower waterline. I found this perfect color pop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Charmer. It matched perfectly with the shadow that was on the lower lash line. So I love this look. The lippy is from e.l.f. and it is in the shade Own It. Love it. So I'm heading off to work. I will check in with you guys at the end of the day to see, let you guys see what look 2 looks like. And then I will, of course, give you guys my final thoughts on Galactic Visitor, the first ever eyeshadow palette launch from Singe Beauty. Hey guys, so here we are at the 10-hour mark on day 2 of me wear testing the beautiful Galactic Visitor palette from Singe Beauty. This look is great. I didn't really notice very much fallout today. I think I noticed a little more yesterday than I did today. So aces on that. And I think it still looks vibrant. It still looks great. I am going to give Galactic Visitor 2 thumbs up. I think Angelica, of course, you knew she was going to do a beautiful job with her first eyeshadow palette launch through Singe Beauty. I think for those of you that missed out on her Kaleidos Club Nebula palette, this is definitely something you want to pick up. The formula seems to be really good and it's vibrant, pigmented, easy to work with. I think if you love colorful makeup, this is definitely a palette for you. It has some pastels in it. There's some deeper tone shades. So there's going to be a wide range of things, looks that you can create with this palette. You are getting 16 different shadows. There's some multi-chromes in here and specialty shadows. Of course, the mattes, they're really good as well. It retails for $45 and it is available now on the Singe Beauty website. Let me know what you thought of these 2 looks I created with Galactic Visitor, and if you picked it up. I know some of you let me know that you picked it up already. Hopefully I was able to give you guys some inspo. If you're not going to be able to pick it up, maybe you can recreate some of these looks if you have the Club Nebula palette or something similar at home. Nevertheless, let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.